Hello dear YouTubers and friends, welcome to my channel SVIT Creations. This is your Rajendra Prasad, chip level engineer. In previous video, we discussed how to solve the hidden desktop icons in Windows 10. And in this video, I am discussing another way to solve the problem in computer tips and tricks. Let's begin. Sometimes icons can be hidden or will disappear from desktop like shown in video. Don't worry, I will tell you the another correct solution. Follow these steps. Hidden desktop icons will appear by applying this method, that is restarting Windows Explorer. Open Task Manager using shortcut key Ctrl Shift Escape or from taskbar. Under Process tab, locate the Windows Explorer. Then right click on it and select Restart. Then all the icons will restore on desktop. Thank you. Please like, subscribe and share.